Welcome to Dasuha English. Alex and Mia are deeply examining recent actions and communications. Alex's concerns about secrecy and unusual interactions are becoming more pronounced, leading to a thoughtful exploration of their relationship dynamics and trust. Consider Mia's heartfelt apology and Alex's honest expression of pain as they navigate the complexities of their relationship, with a focus on addressing any issues of infidelity.
Could you shed the light on why you've been so secretive about your late-night phone calls?
I didn't realize you noticed. They were just work-related.
Work-related? Then why are the messages so personal and flirtatious?
I didn't think it was a big deal at the time.
It is a big deal when it feels like you're hiding an affair from me.
Please, believe me, nothing is as it seems.
Then help me understand why you've been spending so much time with someone else.
Sometimes, I just felt lost and needed someone who understood me.
Is that an excuse for betraying our trust?
No, it's not an excuse. It's the reason I sought comfort outside our relationship.
I need you to be honest. Have you been unfaithful?
Yes, I have, and I'm truly sorry for the hurt I've caused.
I'm devastated that you would cheat on me and keep it hidden.
I know I've broken your trust, and I'm not proud of it.
What made you think that seeking comfort elsewhere was the answer?
I felt neglected and overwhelmed, but that doesn't justify my actions.
Your actions have left me questioning everything we built together.
I wish I could undo the pain, but I understand if forgiveness seems impossible right now.
I need time to process this betrayal and decide if we can ever move past it.
I accept whatever decision you make, and I'll do my best to make amends if given the chance.
I'm piecing together the dialogue, where person A acknowledges their actions and person B expresses feelings of betrayal, while emphasizing the need for genuine change to rebuild trust. Person A acknowledges their mistakes and person B expresses profound hurt. They gradually shift their focus to the path forward, emphasizing the need for genuine change and step-by-step rebuilding to restore trust. Person A and person B discuss rebuilding trust, with person B needing time for healing and person A committing to actions to demonstrate their sincerity.
Take it go?
What do you mean by that?
I'm asking if we should just take it and go, leave everything behind.
Leave behind what exactly? The lies and the cheating?
Yes, I can't live with the constant betrayal anymore.
I know I've been unfaithful, and I regret every moment of it.
Regret isn't enough to fix the trust that's been shattered.
I understand that, and I'm willing to do anything to make it right.
But every secret call and hidden text makes me wonder if we can ever heal.
I promise, I will be completely transparent from now on.
Transparency is a start, but rebuilding our relationship will take more than promises.
Then tell me what it will take so we can move forward together.
First, we need to confront the pain head-on and talk openly about what went wrong.
I'm ready to have those hard conversations, no matter how painful they are.
If we're going to take it and go, we must leave the past behind without forgetting its lessons.
I agree, our future should be built on honesty, not on the mistakes of the past.
I'm willing to try if you're willing to prove your commitment every day.
I will earn your trust back, even if it takes a long time.
Then let's take it go, step by step, and work towards healing our broken bond.
One day at a time, I hope we can find our way back to each other.
Danny's anxiety over daily challenges and disturbing news escalates, mirroring Blake's persistent sleep issues due to underlying stress. The conversation revolves around Danny expressing an unexplained feeling of unease and anxiety, which he finds difficult to shake off.
I don't know why, but I feel uneasy about everything today.
Maybe it's because the news has been so overwhelming lately.
It seems like every little thing makes me anxious.
I understand. Sometimes the constant change can be very unsettling.
I don't know why I always struggle to shake off this worry.
Perhaps it's due to the pressure we've been under at work.
That could be it, especially with all the deadlines coming up.
Have you considered talking to someone about these feelings?
I thought about it, but I hesitate to share my personal concerns.
Opening up might help you gain a new perspective.
I don't know why I find it so hard to trust that sharing will make a difference.
Sometimes, our past experiences can make us cautious about trusting others.
That's true. Past disappointments have left me guarded.
Remember, not everyone will hurt you or take advantage of your openness.
I appreciate that reminder, even if it's difficult to fully believe.
Maybe starting with small, safe conversations could help rebuild that trust.
I think I'll try speaking with a close friend about how I've been feeling.
That sounds like a positive step towards feeling better.
Thank you for listening and encouraging me to take action.
I'm always here for you, no matter what challenges you face.
Sarah talks about her mother's passion and creativity, which Sarah credits for her own passion. John's curiosity drives him to ponder his father's impact on his persistence and effort.
I guess I take after my father in many ways.
That's interesting. I always wondered which parent you resembled more.
I think I take after my mother when it comes to creativity.
Really, I had no idea your mother was so artistic.
She was, and she always encouraged me to follow my passions.
It must have been inspiring growing up with such an influence.
Absolutely, it shaped much of who I am today.
Do you think your father influenced your personality as well?
Definitely, his determination and work ethic rubbed off on me.
So you take after both of them in different aspects.
Exactly, I try to balance their qualities in my life.
That's admirable. It's not always easy to reconcile different influences.
It requires self-reflection and understanding of oneself.
I often think about how our parents shape us without us realizing it.
True, sometimes the similarities are surprising when others point them out.
I can see you take after your mother's sense of humor as well.
Yes, it's one of my favorite traits that I inherited.
It sounds like you have a rich family history of unique characteristics.
Indeed, and I'm grateful for everything that has made me who I am today.
Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.